Name change in California. If you would like to change your name in California, you are on the right place. In this video, we will explain how you can change your name legally in California. Whether it is a child name change or adult name change, or you want your last name change after marriage in California, you may bring a legally name change proceeding in any county in the California state. The name change information brought to you by LegallyNameChange.com. To prepare your documents, please click on link on the above I button. Name change cost. First, let's talk about the cost to file a name change in California. You may file your name change in the Superior Court of California. The cost to file name change forms in California is $435. However, a few courts charge more, up to $480, but no California name change courts charge less than $435 to file a petition for change of name. Forms required for a name change process in California. There are some name change forms you will have to use to file your name change legally. Forms to make an adult name change petition in California, or a minor name change petition in California. You must fill out the right forms and bring them to the Clerk of California courthouse near your location. The required forms for California name change process are: 1. Civil Case Cover Sheet, CM 010. 2. Petition for Change of Name, NC 100. 3. Attachment to Petition for Change of Name, NC 110. 4. Order to Show Cause for Change of Name, NC 120. 5. Proof of Service of Order to Show Cause, NC 121. 6. Order to Show Cause for Change of Name to Conform to Gender Identity, NC 125. 7. Decree Changing Name, NC 130. Some courts also require you to fill out local forms to ask for a name change, like a criminal background information form. Ask your local court clerk if there are local forms you have to fill out. You may be able to find your court's local forms on your Superior Court's website. Make sure to keep copies of any local forms you fill out. Do not sign the petition until you are in front of a notary public. A notary is available at the Court Help Center. Other documents required for name change in California. If you were born in California state, you need to bring either an original or certified copy of your birth certificate. If you were not born in California state, you need to bring proof of your birth as well. Marriage name change in California. If you recently got married, the marriage certificate is proof of your new name. Name change after divorce in California. If you recently got divorced, the divorce decree is proof that you may resume use of a prior name. Make at least 2 copies of all your forms. The court will keep the original. 1 copy is for you, the other is for the publication in a newspaper. Filing a legal name change in California. Take all completed papers and filing fee to the county clerk's office, county where you live, where a case number will be assigned. Publish your new name in newspaper. In most cases you must publish the order to show cause for change of name, NC 120, in a newspaper of general circulation once a week for 4 weeks in a row. Your court most likely has a list of newspapers that are approved for publishing legal notices. Go to court hearing if necessary. File proof with the court that the order to show cause, NC 120, was published in the newspaper. Bring it with Decree Changing Name Form, NC 130. If no objections have been filed to your petition, the court may grant your decree without requiring a hearing. You should check with the court a couple of days before the hearing to see if it will be held. If it is, go to court on your hearing date. Get certified copies Decree of Name Change. The judge will sign the Decree Changing Name Form, NC 130. Once you get your signed decree, get a certified copy from the court clerk. You can use this to change all your legal documents, including your birth certificate, social security card, and other government-issued identification like your passport or driver's license. You may hire the professional staff of LegallyNameChange.com to prepare the right forms for the right court. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.